Going on YouTube traders, investors? Today is an update video on 7 of the oil tanker stocks. In the last video, they were all trending up, but they were getting close to the support trend line. Did it hold? Stay tuned. Before we get in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps out immensely. And also, smash that bell for future notifications. Here we are, and the first stock we're going to look at is Nordic American Tankers, ticker symbol NAT. I am invested in this stock, and the first thing you'll notice is that this trend line did not hold, so we're going to have to move it over some, and what we're looking for is 3 points where it bounces off the support trend line in the channel to basically validate that trend line. So we're going to go ahead and activate this line and move it over to about right there. Now, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in. We are bouncing off of the 50-day moving average. This is an exponential moving average, so it's a little more accurate, they say, than the simple moving average, because it adjusts with the price in more recent terms. But as you can see, looks like it's kind of consolidating right here. Hopefully this will be where we start to make that turn back up. But the big thing for ticker symbol NAT is they have earnings on Monday morning before the market opens. So who knows what's gonna happen? Hopefully it is in line with what the CEO said in the interview with Jim Cramer. Here we are on ticker symbol EURN, EuroNav. And as you can see, it's starting to trade sideways, but it broke through that support line. So we're gonna do the same thing with this one. We're gonna move it over until hopefully we get 3 points where they actually bounce off of this trend line so we can validate it. We need it to be validated as a valid support line. We're gonna go ahead and add in, if you look on particularly with EURN, it looks like there's some resistance right here at 1220, right around 1220 to 1240, right in this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a line straight across right there. So we know that if we do make this turn, that there is going to be some probably pretty significant resistance right in this area. So that's it for EURN. Here we are on ticker symbol FRO. This is Frontline Limited. And as you can see, same story. Kind of went down a little further, but it looks like it's kind of consolidating right here at about 725, between 725 and 760, right in this area right here. So we're going to go ahead and move this line. We need it to get validated. We need a validation. So there we go. And also I see a nice progression right here. So we're going to take this particular high right here and come straight across. I do like this chart on ticker symbol FRO. It looks like there's a lot of potential with this particular tanker stock. Here we are on ticker symbol DHT. This is DHT Holdings Inc. And same story as all the rest. Right here, it breaks through the support line that we had set. So we're gonna go ahead and activate that, bring it over to we'll go right there. So like I said before, we really need more validation with these trend lines, and what I'm waiting for is the curl up like this. Now, the thing that I pointed out with DHT, I didn't put the line here, but there was a massive double top right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that line straight across. It'll work, come on. Okay. There we go. So right here is a double top. Strong rejection all the way down here. Hopefully this will hold so we can get another point a validation on this support trend line. Here we are on ticker symbol TNP. This is Seikos Energy Navigation. As you can see, this one is quite a bit beyond the support line in this channel. Well, actually, it's not really a channel because this one also has a double top right here. I didn't call that out in the last video, but that is a double top and they usually get really rejected. So we could see this one drag down a little more. We're going to go ahead and activate this trend line, get it closer to where we want it, probably about right there. And we're going to go ahead and put this double top up here so we know. There it is. So this is going to be ticker symbol TNP. It's trading, hit the double top, got rejected. We're trying to get this bottom support trend line validated. Here we are on Scorpio Tankers, ticker symbol STNG. And this is similar to Seikos. It really broke through that support line. So we're going to go ahead and activate it. And here we go. Put it about right there. So hopefully we can get some type of bounce and a curl up here. But we're also going to take this high right here, come straight down. So this is setting up for a triangle. And I talked a little bit about triangles in another video, but this is more of a long-term triangle. But if you see, we hit this top resistance in this triangle, and whenever we can validate this bottom one and we start climbing up, we know that there'll be some resistance probably right around this trend line, and it'll come back down for support until it gets squeezed. And on a squeeze, you either break out and go up, or you break down and head down, possibly to the low or lower. And here we are on the last stock in the 7 oil tanker stocks. It's going to be ticker symbol TNK, Tiki Tankers. And same story is holding true. It has broke through that support line. So we're going to go ahead and activate that. Adjust to about right there. And then we're also going to take this, the highest part over here, and just bring it straight over. Because this is going to be the channel that TNK is trading in. So hopefully we can get a validation on all these trend lines, and they will continue this upward trend. And with that, I'm going to conclude the video. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. Please like the video because it helps out tremendously. And if you want to be notified of future videos, smash that bell. Thanks for watching.